slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,
lihat sih tadi masuknya mundur dong. Belum lihat nama kapal.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
Oke teman-teman, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Melanjutkan perjalanan kita ya dari Malang menuju ke Bali teman-teman. Dan ini video lanjutan kita bersama M-Tran Sultan Trans ya. Dan perjalanan kita dimulai dari pelabuhan ya teman-teman ya. Karena kemarin kita sampai di pelabuhan dan kita mulai dari pelabuhan ya. Ini perjalanan kita sebelum menuju ke pelabuhan. Jadi buat teman-teman yang belum menonton part satunya dari Malang sampai ke pelabuhan Ketapang, bisa ditonton dulu ya biar ceritanya nyambung. Dan buat teman-teman yang sudah menonton part satunya, bisa langsung segera menonton part 2-nya agar tahu bagaimana perjalanan kita menuju Denpasar, Bali. Langsung aja teman-teman, selamat menonton. Sudah berada di dalam kapal teman-teman, sudah berada di kapalnya yang kita mau nyebrang ke Gilimanuk ya, Bali. Tadi saya belum lihat sih, tadi masuknya mundur teman-teman, belum lihat nama kapalnya teman-teman. Kita lihat ya nama kapalnya apa. Kapal apa namanya? ada di paling atas teman-teman ini, dan Balinya itu ada di sana. Tuh Bali di sana ya. Kita sudah mulai agak menjauh dari daratan. Anginnya gede. Hati-hati bang, anginnya gede bang. Apa? Nih, kita belum meninggalkan pelabuhan Ketapang teman-teman, menuju ke sudah mulai mendekati Pulau Bali. Sebentar lagi teman-teman, ini sebentar lagi kita bersandar di Pulau Dewata. Jadi sekarang sudah jam 12 teman-teman, ini waktu Indonesia Barat ya, berarti jam 1 itu. Oh 0:39 teman-teman, berarti ini setengah 2 ya waktu.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Kapal.
Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to
Ini
gray.
termasuk agak sepi teman-teman. Kita cuma sendirian, sisanya ada 4 truk dan 1.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna
Ada
love me, well then baby I would
1, 2,
taste all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to
Kita akan bersandar di sini teman-teman.
fade away.
Ya sudah mau naik.
slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Sampai di garasi entrance.
Yang bawa bagasi langsung di kanan.
Kasih ya Pak.
Bilang aja Mas, ada bagasi Mas.
Ini teman-teman, 04.30, setengah 5 teman-teman, ini waktu Indonesia Tengah ya, atau waktu Bali. Sudah tiba di garasinya atau poolnya M Trans teman-teman, di daerah
Duluan gitu ya.
Hah?
Duluan.
Ketimbang yang Royal.
Iya.
Nah, Royal itu mau kemana? Ke sini juga.
Iya. Garasinya di sini.
Nah, ini garasinya teman-teman, ini tuh terparkir sini sudah ada berapa unit ini? 1 2 3 4 5. Wah, ini Royal Sultan yang makan bareng di Depot Titin ya, daerah Ponorogo, baru sampai ya. Magetan ini, dari Magetan bang, udah ke Surabaya bener nih bang. Motor mendarat dengan selamat. Ini teman-teman, tadi yang kita naik itu Denpasar Malang Tinggi. Sementara ini Royal Sultan. Royal Sultan masuk nih. Scania teman-teman, sudah bervelg alkohol juga. sudah kumpul.